This is how you capture your 2001 Dodge Ram ejaculation.
Let the band play.
John Lennon, Michael Jackson, Janis Joplin, Jimi Hendrix. When I die, I just wanna be a legend. White roses on my headstone and my name in golden carrots. Cause when I die, I'm gonna be a fucking legend.
Anyways, I'll show you guys the actual process of it. Just move that clip down. Nice thing to have is some high branches in case the hose is pretty much seated onto it. Anyways, get your bucket underneath your...
This thing's like stupid hot stuff.
If it's still hot and you're retarded like us, then you might want to watch out. So you got your upper radiator hose off. Now you're going to go over and to be able to get this off, literally all you do is lift it. Some of the time. Okay, so this is going to be a to be continued until we get it out. And the flip side. And guess what, guys? We kind of got it out.
I don't tell you to do that.
Oh, we have one more hose, I believe. This is your lower radiator hose. Anyways, it's down on your passenger side. It's the very bottom of your radiator, which is that thing right there. You see that bushing right here? That one I was showing you guys earlier on the other truck? That's what we're taking off. After we do that, she should just come right out.
Feel free to send in packs.
Yeah, if you guys feel obligated by any means at all, you guys just want to send us tools because, you know, hand tool life, and because it's freaking literally 18 degrees outside today. Yeah, if you guys want to do that, you know, that'd be awesome. Or if you guys want to send in, you know, some gloves, that'd be pretty nice too, like some warm ones. That'd be pretty great. Yeah, the PO box will be in the description below. Back to this. I'm not sure if you guys remember this, but this was like a long time ago. We had I'm pretty sure, what was it, like the first video ever put on this channel? Yeah, back when the channel was named American Machines. You guys see it out there, don't mind the ponies. But, the old Ford probe. Throwback. What's up, ponies? Alright. Looky there. Looky there, boys. And girls. A little hopeful handful something or other trick. If you have a cold air intake and you have a box.
Just a box.
First tip.
Clean it.
2. If you think that your air intake is rubbing on the box, shove a shirt in there. Howdy, and we're back. So we got these little bushings. You can see those. Alright, and those just go on the bottom of the radiator. So if you're doing a swap, make sure you put them back in. Anyways, we disattached the fan shroud and the radiator from themselves. Put the fan shroud in here first, then stuck the radiator in here. We cleaned them up just a little bit to the best degree we possibly could. Anyway, so what we're going to do now is we're going to attach the radiator to the vehicle. Once we get that attached to the vehicle, then we're going to attach the fan shroud. If y'all like this video, go ahead and drop a like. You don't have to smash the like. You can just lightly touch it. Lightly touch your, phone screen or your,
Fully hit it.
Okay, yeah, full send it. Be a man. Come on. Anyways, smash that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the little notification bell so you see every single time I drop a new video.